Situation dito sa Canlaon?
Karong panahon na no, since December 9, Canlaon City is experiencing volcanic eruption almost every week. Medyo naanad na ang katawhan no, because of the PHIVOLCS heightened the alert level 3. No, of course, almost every week we also training our constituents, especially within the 6 kilometers danger zone. We are having a drill should in case volcanic eruption will occur. As of now, we are at the site of Mount Canlaon. Tanaw na siya diha, pero but yun, it's really foggy, so dili na to makita. Gahapong adlaw no, na ay minor eruption, but alarming lang kay naidala nga tremors no, ang mga area within the 6 kilometers naka-experience o nakabantay gyud og paghunob no, or galinog ang didtong dapita sa bulkan. Muna nga Canlaon City is always preparing should in case alert level 4 will be issued no, kay dili man pod pwede nga dili ta magpreparar no, kay wala niya tay kapadulngan. So our plan for alert level 4 is now being approved no, by the Office of the Civil Defense, by the region and by the national, of course with the help of the province of Negros Oriental, nga sila na pod mo take over if ever alert level 4 will be implement, because all of the people of Canlaon City will be evacuated during that time. Let's just hope and pray nga dili na maabot anang puntuha. Okay, dili gyud mo heighten ang threat sa bulkan, dili man na siya ma-implement. But importante lang gyud pod nga naatay ready contingency plan if necessary nga mulikas yun ang katawhan sa syudad sa Canlaon.
What about the evacuees, Mayor? Kumusta man sila?
On December 9, we have more than 2,500 families. As of now, after sorting and after letting go the evacuees residing beyond the 6 kilometers danger zones, naana lang tayo nabilin nga 1,500 family plus. As of now, the city of Canlaon addressing their needs such as food, non-food items, but our funds is also depleting. No? So nagkagamay na po ang mga funds. Padayon mig pangayo no, sa national government nga dungaga na among pundo no, to feed the evacuees or the IDPs inside the evacuation center. But as of now, because of the help sa atong mga amigo, neighboring towns and cities nga nanabang nato in a form of cash, in a form of foods, in a form of non-food items, na somehow napagyoy magamit ang syudad. Also, mapasalamaton po ta no, sa Rotary Club sa Dumaguete, and of course Dumaguete City Water District no, nga permanente yung tawon ga assist na mo dito sa panginahanglan na mo sa tubig. They provide us not just water but of course the jerry cans that is really usable no, sa amo ang mga tawo dito sa nagpuyo sa 4 to 6 kilometers danger zone. Kay naaman tay window nga ginaabre no, from 4 AM to 5 PM every day. Abli ang ato ang window nga makasulod sa diha sa within the 6 kilometers. So kato mga jerrycans ang ipanghatag ninyo no, mao to ilang ginabalon dito kay gaobra ra man pud sila sa ilang mga kaumahan. So mao na nga mapasalamaton kay ini nga katawhan sa syudad sa Canlaon nga gamay ug dako nga hinabang no, magamit gyud sa amo ang mga IDPs.
How to ang Bais nga ni-donate pod, Mayor?
Yes, the Mayor of Bais City through its Eldrim Council, Mayor Luigi Gonye, donated the amount of 1 million, and the City of Bayawan also headed by Mayor Jack Raymond donated 1.2 million.
Mayor,
Mayor, thank you.
Thank you so
Salamat,
much.
Mayor.
Thank you so much. Hindi, Mulakaw ko, sir.